Ji student, after reading we have to open our writing book, page number 10, and firstly we have to mention date and day on the top of the page, and secondly we have to identify and circle the object starting with the letter sound, letter C. Student, here is 3 objects, and here is carrot, bird, cup. We have to circle carrot because it starts with the letter C, and seeker, cup. We will not circle the bird because it does not start with the letter C. Okay student, now we have to write C. Put your pencil at the red dot and join the dots with another, and in this way you can complete your C. Put your pencil at the red dot. Put your pencil at the red dot and go round and stop. In this way you can complete your C. Student, you have to write C on page number 10 within 30 minutes. I will check inshallah after 30 minutes. G student, page number 11 and page number 12 will be your home task. Student, here you have to circle, you have to color and identify the objects starting with the letter C and color it. You have to color can and cap, and you have to write C on this page, and on the next page you have to tick the object made by letter C. You will tick camel and cow, and also write letter C on page number 12. So student, page number 11 and page number 12 will be your home task. You have to write these pages and also color it. So good luck student, goodbye.